Most apps don't fail because they're bad. They fail because people never install them. You might be getting thousands of impressions on Google Play, but barely any installs. That problem is called low conversion rate. And Google already gives you a powerful free tool to fix it. Scenario 1, good app, low installs. You launch a productivity app. 50,000 people see your listing. Only 1,500 install. Conversion rate equals 3%. But your competitor gets 15% plus. Scenario 2, paid ads losing money. You run Google Ads. CPC, 25 cents. Install rate, low. ROI, negative. Because users don't convert after landing. Scenario 3, guesswork design. You change screenshots randomly. New icon. New colors. New video. But installs don't improve. Why this happens? Users decide in 2 to 5 seconds. Is this app for me? They judge mostly by visuals. App icon. Screenshots. Video. Feature graphic. The solution, store listing experiments. Google Play lets you run A/B tests on your store page. Show different versions to real users. Measure which one converts best. Automatically pick a winner. Google confirms experiments can optimize install conversion by testing graphics and text variants. Real results from companies. Taps Games plus 20% installs. Congregate plus 45% installs. Pincer Games plus 20% conversions. What you can test. Visual assets, most impact. Google recommends testing. App icon. Screenshot. Promo video. Feature graphic. These typically produce the biggest gains. Types of experiments. 1. Default store listing experiment. Tests assets on your main page. 2. Localized experiment. Tests versions for specific countries. Real example, meditation app. Version A, generic screenshots. Track your mood. Relax daily. Conversion, 4%. Version B, problem focused. Sleep in 5 minutes. Stop anxiety instantly. Dark calming colors. Conversion, 11%. Same app. Different visuals. Step by step, how to run experiments in Google Play Console. Step 1, open Play Console. 1. Go to Google Play Console. 2. Select your app. Step 2, navigate to experiments. Left menu. Row users. Store presence. Store listing experiments. Step 3, create new experiment. Click. Create experiment. Choose. Default store listing. Localized experiment. Step 4, name your test. Example. Icon test, bright versus minimal. Screenshots, feature versus emotion. Step 5, choose assets to test. Best practice. Test one element at a time. Otherwise results are unclear. Google also recommends single asset testing. Example tests you should run. Test 1, icon. Version A, blue minimal icon. Version B, bright colorful icon. Games often gain huge boosts here. Test 2, screenshot style. Feature focused. Create invoices. Export PDFs. Benefit focused. Get paid faster. Save 5 hours per week. Benefit focused usually wins. Test 3, with versus without text. Some apps convert better with minimal text. Step 6, set traffic split. Example. Original, 50%. Variant, 50%. Or test multiple variants. Here is how you do it when creating experiments. Click Next button in Store Listing page, which then takes you to the Experiment Goals page. The default settings are good enough and mostly no changes are required, but you can always change them as per your liking. Everything is self-explanatory here, and you can hover over the question mark icon to understand it more deeply. Clicking Next button from Experiment Goals page takes you to Variant Configuration page. Choose the attributes you want to test against your current store listing. For best results, select one asset at a time. Click Edit Variant to make changes and upload new assets. Step 7. Launch experiment. Click Start. Google shows each version to different users. How long to run? Google recommends at least 7 days. To account for weekday/weekend differences. High traffic apps can finish faster. Metrics you should watch. Google provides install conversion rate, acquisition data, retention metrics. How Google declares a winner. When data is statistically significant. Winning variant shown. Optional email notification. Apply the winner. Click Apply winning variant. Your listing updates automatically. Real-world case studies. Case study, fitness app. Original screenshots. Exercise lists. App interface only. New screenshots. Before/after body visuals. Emotional motivation. Clear outcomes. Result, plus 60% installs. Case study, finance app. Original icon. Generic wallet icon. New icon. Bold currency symbol. Bright contrast. Result, plus 25% conversion. Case study, kids game. Original screenshots. Gameplay only. New screenshots. Characters smiling. Parents plus kids together. Educational benefits. Result, plus 40% installs. Advanced strategies, pro level. Use custom store listings. Show different visuals to different audiences. Countries. Ad campaigns. User segments. Google allows targeting listings for specific groups or regions. Localize screenshots. Example. India Hindi text. Brazil Portuguese. Localized visuals convert much higher. Test seasonally. Festive themes. Sale periods. Back to school. New Year resolutions. User preferences change over time. Common mistakes to avoid. Testing too many elements at once. Ending test too early. Ignoring user intent. Copying competitors blindly. Using cluttered screenshots. Ultimate formula for high conversion. Top performing playlistings usually have clear problem solved. Strong emotional hook. Bold icon. Simple visuals. Social proof. Benefit-focused text. Call to action. If your app isn't getting installs, don't just spend more on ads. Fix your conversion first. Store Listing Experiments is the highest ROI growth tool on Google Play, and it's completely free. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share my channel to support me. Thanks for watching.